on which they agreed to.
Daga berpenpau bakidan ki jingkala haka jaka kaput naga wei kapor shaka wei pat u Inderjit Singh Rana u badai u IG ka BSF Meghalaya Frontier u loong ban naka benta ban penne ya ka shongsan bat ban lait naka no ka jingsyak pinthut ya ki jaka kaput ki shipai BSF ki persang kat bala ban but kat kum ki an ki kendon haka bai dei bat ki jaka ki puta haki jaka kaput. Uloong bakumba prapo nakashispa nakijingker ki jaka kaput ha Meghalaya ki long ha ki jaka lom bat ki sharing lom bat ladadon ka jingjur snap kini ki jingker ki laban pra. Kumta ki nong khaitu ki ju persang ban shim kabu ban rung nakini ki jingker. Uni uhe shipai ulaya thu ba shikin hun ki nong khaitu na Bangladesh ki la thombor ya ki shipai BSF ki ba apahara ha kaput Ronggara ha South Garo Hills District Meghalaya ha kamiyat sngi sajjan. Haka berpenpau halor kani uloong baka tenat BSF kala shim ya ka senja mante lakam yaki haka ba kila ya kun persya bala debru ban ujor daka ejahar haka ba ka jingtoket kadang ya cakman.
Tell you that if you have seen this Meghalaya border, it's a very mountainous and undulating type of border. It's a riverine border. Lot of rivers and rivulets they are going. So about 80% we have erected our fence, but due to these very lot of rainfall and rivulets, lot of gaps are existing. And the smugglers and infiltrates they try to smuggle inside those gaps. But we are still trying and we are ensuring that these gaps are plugged with active policing and active deployment.